Donald Trump has said 5 times, 29 times. 29 times he said, 29 बार उन्होंने बोला कि भैया मैंने सीज फायर करवाया है. अच्छा, अगर वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो अपने भाषण में यहां प्रधानमंत्री कह दें कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं. यहां पे अगर दम है तो यहां पे प्रधानमंत्री बोल दे कि ट्रंप झूठ बोल रहे हैं. If he has the courage, if he has the courage of Indira Gandhi, let him say here, that Donald Trump, you're a liar. That you did not make a ceasefire, and that we did not lose any planes. Let him say it here. If he has the courage. 50% भी है इंदिरा गांधी का तो यहां बोल दे. 50% होगा तो बोल देगा, बोल देंगे. सॉरी सर, एक साइड से 7th फ्लीट आ रही है, बोल दीजिए सर. मजा आ रहा है.
ऐसा नहीं
सर. अभी तो मैंने ओपनिंग नहीं किया सर.
आपका समय
अभी तो मैं सेट हो रहा हूं.
समय आपका कम है.
अभी सेट हो रहा हूं सर, थोड़ी ढील दीजिए. अगर दम है, अगर सचमुच में दम है, तो आज शाम यहां प्रधानमंत्री को कह देना चाहिए डोनाल्ड ट्रंप इज अ लायर. झूठ बोल रहा है डोनाल्ड ट्रंप. सर, एक नई चीज चली है, एक नया शब्द चला है, न्यू नॉर्मल. कि न्यू नॉर्मल है. एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर नहीं है बट वो यूज करते हैं. भाषण में उन्होंने कहा कि सारे के सारे देशों ने टेररिज्म को कंडेम किया है. एब्सोल्युटली 100% करेक्ट. मगर उन्होंने यह नहीं बताया कि पहलगाम के बाद एक भी देश ने पाकिस्तान को नहीं कंडेम किया है. Not a single country has condemned Pakistan. Everybody has condemned terrorism. What does it mean? That the world is equating us with Pakistan. Earlier, when the UPA government was there, it was very clear Pakistan is promoting terrorism. And they used to condemn Pakistan for promoting terrorism. Now, not a single country has condemned. Acha, very interesting, another fact. I mean, sometimes this external affairs minister amazes me. चौंक जाता हूं मैं. He says that now even defense minister, we have deterred Pakistan. Acha, you have deterred Pakistan? Fine. The man behind Pahalgam is a Pakistani general called General Munir, Chief of Army Staff. That man is having lunch with the President of the United States. He is sitting there. Our Prime Minister cannot go there. Mr. Trump is breaking all protocol, and he's inviting the man who has done terrorism in India to have lunch with him. Prime Minister hasn't said anything. Prime Minister has not said, how dare Mr. Trump invite Mr. Munir to his office?
माननीय सदस्य, इसको माननीय सदस्य,
now let me say what Donald Trump has to say.
माननीय सदस्य, ये सदन की संपत्ति है, इसको मत तोड़ो.
सॉरी सर, गलती हो गई. Now we have, according to this government, they have deterred Pakistan, and the mastermind of the whole operation had lunch with the president. Mastermind. After that, the President of the United States says, reason I had him here was I wanted to thank him. I wanted to thank him for what? I wanted to thank him for not going into the war and ending it. Let me repeat it. The reason I had him here for lunch was I wanted to thank him, the man who carried out Pahalgam. I wanted to thank him for not going into the war and ending it.
Shame, very shame.
Now, currently, General Munir, US General Michael Kurilla, head of their command structure, and generals from 4 Central Asian countries right now are having a conference on how to prevent terrorism. Right now. So while these people are running around telling the world that Pakistan has done terrorism, the United States is having lunch with the man and organizing and trying to figure out how he can help them fight terrorism. I mean, which planet is the foreign minister sitting on? Like, please come down. I don't know where you are. Come down. You have flown off somewhere. Right? The second thing, new normal. New normal is the chief architect of the Pahalgam is having lunch with the President of the United States. New normal. Now there's another new normal. There's another new normal. Fantastic idea. I don't know whose it was. At the end of the operation, by the way, the operation is still going on. They have declared victory, but it's still going on. Right? At the end of the exercise, they say, the government of India says, any act of terror is an act of war. Now, do you understand what this statement is saying? What this statement is saying is that any terrorist now who wants to make India fight a war has just got to do one attack in India. मतलब आपने पूरी की पूरी पावर आतंकवादियों को उठा के दे दी कि भैया आपको युद्ध चाहिए ना, आप एक अटैक कर दो, युद्ध हो जाएगा. It's craziness. You have taken the entire idea of deterrence and turned it upside down. Right? So today, no, 1 second, you're laughing. Tell me something. The next terror attack that happens, what will you do? What will you do? You'll attack Pakistan again? So now, the moment they know that you're going to attack Pakistan, they just have to do a terror attack and they know you're going. So, this government is clueless even about what deterrence means. Right? This government is clueless about what political will means. This government is clueless about what it means to let the army, air force, navy fight. That's the reality of the situation.